Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video, I am going to start the new chapter. That is, chapter is here 23, and the name of the chapter is The Things We Do. Yes, in this video, you all are going to read about the what verb, doing words, or action word. Okay, so all are same. So first, children, before starting this, you should know about the doing words or action word, and that already I have explained in grammar also, but in GK it is in your chapter. So once again I am going to make you revise. So with hope, children, you all will try to understand what are action words, children. Yes, action words, yes, they tell us what people, animals, or things do. Okay, like I am teaching you. So teach is a what? Teach is a action word. You all are listening, so listen is a action word, or you can say doing words. It means whatever we do. Okay, whatever we do, that all are called action word, or you can say doing words. Like you can see in this picture, what in this picture they are walking. So walk is a action word. He is cooking. So cook is a action word. That this boy is helping. So help is a action word. These are action word. Okay, children. So now, children, you all will see some more example. Okay, by the helping of pictures, you will just try to fill the blank space. Okay, so let's start. Like, children, you will have to fill the blank space. Like, we dash in water. What do we do in water, children? We swim in water. So what will you write here? You all will write here swim, SWIM, swim. We swim in water. We dash at night. What we do? In this picture, what is she doing? Yes, she is sleeping. So what? Sleep. So what you all will write? We sleep at night. So there you all will fill sleep, SLEEP, sleep. Now next one. We dash at clowns. Yes, when we what see the clown, what we laugh. So we laugh at clowns. So there you will write clowns. There is you will write here laugh, LAUGH, laugh. Dash, we dash perfume. Yes, we smell perfume. It smells very what? Pleasant. So what we do? We smell perfume. So what will I write here? Smell, SMELL, smell perfume. We dash water. Yes, we drink water. What we do? Yes, we drink. So there you will write here drink, DRINK, drink. Now some more is here. Next one is here. We dash food. We eat food. So it is a doing word, or you can say action word. Okay. We dash games. We play games. We play outdoor or indoor games. So we play games. PLAY, play. Play is also about doing words. We dash music. Music spelling MUSIC. We dash music. What you all will say? We listen music. So there you will write listen, LISTEN, listen to music. We dash television. We watch television. Watch is a action word or doing word. So there you will write watch, WATCH, watch television. We dash books. What you all will say? Yes, we read book, READ, read. Now after that, some more. We dash songs. Yes, we sing song. So what? We sing. There I will write here sing, SING, sing. We sing songs. We dash kite. We fly kite. We fly, and also, children, air is needed for flying kite. So there you will write which doing word? Yes, you all will write here fly. We fly kite, FLY, fly kites. We dash later. Yes, we write later. So there you will write WRITE, write. We write later. We dash daily. What should we do, children? Yes, we should do exercise daily. It keep us fit and healthy. So which action word will you write here? Exercise. EXERCISE, exercise daily. We dash in air. Yes, we breathe in air. So there you will write breathe. BREATHE, breathe in air. So children, these are action words which you all have to complete. Yes, the chapter 23, you all will complete the action word, or you can say doing words. Yes, whatever it is happening, there you will write. Okay, children. So now after that, children, you all will read the general awareness. So with hope, children, you all will try to understand, and also you will write down in a word or few words. So let's start. Like first question is here, who is the finance minister of India? Do you know, children? First was, who is the finance minister of India? Yes, Nirmala Sita Raman. Nirmala, Nirmala Sita, SITHARAMAN, Sita Raman. Yes, Nirmala Sita Raman is the finance minister of India. Yes, and what is the work of finance minister, children? Yes, finance minister is the most important after the prime minister. Because what? Because she is responsible for fiscal policy of the budget. Okay, she represent the budget. Now, who is the vice president of India, children? Do you know? Yes, Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of India. Venkaiah, VANKAIAH, Venkaiah, NAIDU, Naidu, Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu is the vice president of India, and vice president of India is the second highest constitutional office in India after the president. The vice president act as president in the absence of president. Okay, children, due to the death, resignation, or other situation. Okay, so president act as a president in the absence of president. Understood, children? So who is the vice president of India? Venkaiah Naidu. And already you all are knowing who is the president of India. What do you know? Yes, Ramnath Kovind. Okay, now after that, children, next one is here. Next is, which is our national currency? Do you know, children? Yes, rupee. Rupee is the our national currency, and this is the sign of currency. What? Rupee. This is the sign of rupee. RUPEE, rupee. And what, children? The Indian rupee is the official currency of India, and the rupee is what? Subdivided into 100 paise. It means 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Okay, children? So what? Our national currency is rupee. Now, which is the national aquatic animal of India, children? Do you know? Yes, dolphin. National aquatic animal of India is what? Ganga's river dolphin. Yes, dolphin. DOLPHIE, and dolphin. The river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. And also, children, dolphins have smooth rubbing skin and are usually colored in some mixture of black, white, and gray. Okay, so which is our national aquatic animal? You all will say dolphin. Now next one is here. Next, who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India, children? Do you know? Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Spelling SARDAR. Sardar Vallabh, VALLABH, Vallabhbhai, BHAI, Bhai Patel, PATEL, Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. And also, children, he served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He teaches us what? Manpower without unity is not a strength. It means what? Unity is strength. So we should always work together in team, because unity is strength. Okay, now So who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? You all will have to learn Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, who wrote our national anthem? Do you know? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Spelling Rabindra. Rabindra Nath Tagore. Tagore. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. And you all know, children, our national anthem. Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Okay, children. And our national song is Vande Matram. And who wrote our national song? Yes, Bankim Chand Chatterjee. But here is what national anthems written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, now after that, next one, which is the largest river in the world? In the world, children, you all will say what? Nile. The Nile river is the largest river in the world. And also it flows from south to north through eastern Africa. Okay, so Nile is the largest river in the world. And which is the largest river of India, children? What do you know? Yes, Ganga. Okay. Who discovered India? Yes, Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama what discovered India from by the what? Sea. Okay, children. Yes, Vasco da Gama discovered India by the sea route. He reached at Atlantic Ocean when he arrives to Calicut on the Malabar coast. Okay, children. So Vasco da Gama. Now the Gama. Vasco da Gama. Vascodagama. Vasco da Gama. Now after that, next one is here. Next question, which is the largest and smallest country in the world? Children, in previous I taught you about the state of our country, smallest and what? Largest and smallest. But right now is here what? Largest and smallest country. What country? You all know, children, you all live in India. This is the name of this is your country name, and India is the 7th largest country, okay, in the world. But here is asking it is largest. Which is the largest? First position. Okay, so you all will say Russia is the largest country in the world, and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Vatican. Vatican City. 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 Russia and Vatican City. So it means Russia is the largest and Vatican City is what? Smallest country in the world. Now, who is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? What you all will say? Yes, you all will have to speak Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. Spelling, children. What do you know the spelling of Bachendri Pal, children? Bachchendri. Bachendri Pal. Pal. Bachendri Pal. What is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? Okay, children. And also, what do you know about this, children? What Bachendri Pal about? She is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Okay. Now next, which is the tallest building in the world? Do you know, children? Yes. Which is the tallest building? This is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Okay. Burj Khalifa spelling, children. B-U-R-J. B-U-R-J. Burj Khalifa. 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 Burj Khalifa holds the following record: tallest building in the world at over 828 meters and more than 160 stories. Okay, children. So it is the tallest building in the world. So with hope, children, you all have understood very nicely. So once again, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye, you all.